Everyone is looking for a flat belly with sleek-looking abs. Getting a strong midsection takes the right mix of ab workouts that work together to tone the entire area. In this video, we will talk about some effective workouts to get abs and flat stomach. These workouts will fire up your abdominal muscles and help you achieve a flat stomach quickly. Now, before starting the video, make sure you have subscribed to our channel and hit the bell icon below. Number 1. Flutter Kicks. A flutter kick is an exercise that specifically targets the lower abdominal wall. Lie on your back and extend your legs up to a 45-degree angle. Keep your arms straight and in line with the floor, palms facing down. Lift your hand, neck and shoulders slightly off the ground, keeping your legs stick straight and glued together with your toes pointed. Start lowering one leg. Raise your lowered leg and lower the other, focusing on keeping your core engaged. Continue the movement, altering between legs. Perform for 15 to 20 repetitions each day. Number 3. Plank hip dips. Plank hip dip is a fantastic way to strengthen your core. Come forward onto your forearms and lift from your core into a plank. Make a fist with each hand or keep your hands flat on the ground. Then pull in your abs as you rotate your hips to the left side and tap the floor. After that, rotate to the right and tap the floor on the other side. Keep moving from side to side. The goal is to complete 10 to 15 reps every day. Number 4. Side plank. This exercise strengthens the oblique abdominal muscles. To perform this, lie on your right side, legs extended and stacked from hip to feet. The elbow of your right arm is directly under your shoulder. Ensure your head is directly in line with your spine. Your left arm can be aligned along the left side of your body. Then engage your abdominal muscles, drawing your navel towards your spine. Lift your hips and knees from the mat while exhaling. Hold the position. After several breaths, inhale and return to the starting position. The goal should be to hold for 60 seconds. Then change sides and repeat. Number 5. Butt kicks. Butt kicks are easy to do and they can be done almost anywhere. This exercise helps you melt your belly fat like snow. Begin by standing with your feet hip distance apart. Look straight ahead and keep your upper body straight. Pull the heel of the right foot toward the buttocks while standing on the ball of your left foot. With the ball of your right foot, hit the ground below your center of mass and at the same time pulling the heel of the left foot toward the buttocks. Continue alternating sides and moving forward. Number 6. Hip lift. A great core movement that you can perform is hip lift. This exercise targets your ab muscles, specifically the lower abdominal muscles. To do this exercise, lie on an exercise mat with your knees bent so that your feet are flat on the floor. Keep your back straight. Place your hands out to your sides, palms flat for stability. Then raise your glutes off the floor by extending your hips upward while pushing down through your heels. Continue until your back, hips and thighs are in a straight line. Hold for a few seconds, then return to the start position by lowering your hips back to the floor. Try to complete 10 to 12 repetitions every day. Here we end up for today. The most important thing is to keep up the work every day to ensure the best result. Which exercise out of these do you find the most challenging and why? Let us know in the comment section below. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, feel free to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon below. Thanks for watching.